I got it. I hope you got that.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about my new truck that I just purchased. It's not this one. This is my 2018 that I just, recently got. But I really ended up falling in love with it, so I decided to just purchase another one. It does have wheels and tires. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. It's right here. My brand new 2017 Tacoma. Alright, of course I'm just messing around. This one is my 2018 Tacoma, but I do want to introduce you to one of my friends. He has a beautiful Tacoma as well. He's going to go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about it. We'll go ahead and do a review. So I'm going to let him introduce himself.
Hey guys, my name is Chris. I am the proud owner of my red Tacoma. It is a TRD 4x4 off-road. I opted for this one because I just wanted something a little bit more capable.
Go ahead and start with the front.
Basically all I've done at the front so far is I've just plasticked the grill. I added these little, I guess you can call them like Raptor lights, but I really just bought them from my local AutoZone, and my intent was just to basically have some kind of like road safety in a way. They go ahead and swap out the halogen bulbs for the headlights and the fog lights to aux beams. That's pretty much it. That's all I've done so far. Future plans?
Yeah, future plans for the front side of the truck.
Future plans, well, I am actually, in the next couple weeks, I'm actually supposed to be getting my whole truck detailed and washed down and buffed because I am getting it ceramic coated. I'm going to be adding on a clear broth because when you're off-roading, you're going to take a lot of those bushes and stuff like that, and you're going to get scratches. I just want to add a little bit more protection on it just to help it last a little bit longer. Another future plan, more likely a couple months from now, I'm actually going to be cutting this whole section of my bumper off and getting a C4 Fab low profile winch bumper with a 20 or 30 inch Baja Designs S8 series light bar. I'm probably going to go full amber lens, not really for the look but just for the functionality.
Okay. Because
amber lenses, they do tend to work a lot better in snow and fog and stuff like that. It just penetrates through the dust a lot easier and better. I might end up swapping these fog lights out for some pods, maybe. That's just like when it's something I'm just not really too worried about right now because the Auxbeam LEDs work tremendously.
All right, so you guys heard it here first. I didn't tell him to say that. I didn't pay him. No.
Yeah, I'm just a huge Auxbeam fan. I love their products. They sell quality. And they add a really, really good price.
All right, so you guys heard it here first from the front of the truck. Now we're moving on to the side of the truck, and he's going to go ahead and explain what he has and why he has it installed.
I went ahead and running 33s on a 3 to 1 inch lift. I went with a Bilstein suspension lift. It's the 5100 series. I went with that in the front two shocks, but I did kind of twist it up, and then with the rear shocks, I went with the 5160s, which come with the remote reservoirs. I just wanted a little bit added capability for off-roading without having to spend a few $1,000s on some Fox 2.0s or the King suspension. I feel like I'm not ready yet to invest that much into it because I don't off-road enough to where I would feel that would be an actual worthy investment yet, until down the road, so I find more free time and stuff like that. But I am running 33s on some Falcon Wild Peak AT3s.
I'm gonna cut you off right there. If you guys remember, those are the tires that I said I really wanted. This is why. I'll go ahead and get a close-up in a little bit and show you guys exactly the style I was talking about, how nice they look.
Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. I went with some satin black Vision off-road rims with an added protection ring with whatever those things are. I just like the look of them. I was gonna go with Methods, but seeing how everyone in the world has a Method rim on their truck, so I just wanted to be a little bit different at least.
I'm gonna stop you right there. If you guys remember, I wanted Method wheels as well. I'm honestly shifting my mind on that because of what he just stated. Everybody has them.
Everybody. So I just wanted, that's one thing I've always been kind of gearing towards whenever I build one of my trucks up is I want to be just a little bit different, just because I don't want to just always blend in with the crowd. That's why I went with the red truck versus the quicksand or the white or a black one like I was actually originally intending on going with. It's little things like that just to stand apart from the crowd. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my suspension and tire setup.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and move to the back, and he's gonna go ahead and explain the back side of the truck.
Okay guys, basically right here is just referring back to the suspension again. Under here I am running the 5160s for the rear suspension. As you can see, there is the remote reservoir for the rear shocks. It's just a little bit added performance. It just helps with heat dissipation and things like that when you're off-roading. I debadged it and then rebadged it with my own. And just for my own personal liking, it's a TRD Leica Pro. I'm not trying to be a poser and say I have a TRD Pro, but you know, a TRD Leica Pro, you know, just throwing it out there. I saw a video of BJ Baldwin. Love the recoil series. Fell in love with those videos. Just wanted to get something like it. Moving on. I went ahead and got a 3-inch catback exhaust. It's made by MBRP. I went with that one because it's just the one that I felt that had the best sound quality so far with it. I heard the Magna Flows and you know, it's the Black Widow Spider, whatever the other ones are. And I just, out of all the videos I've heard and seen in person, I just fell in love with the MBRP. Thought that was the best fit. And let's go ahead and I'll give it a start up here and hear what it sounds like.
The inside of the truck. He's gonna go ahead and explain and show what's inside.
I just did a couple of things that I did. Up here in the front seats, I went ahead and did I plasti dipped the front on the dashboard just because I wanted a little bit of contrast. Just went ahead and just plasti dipped that. Took one night. Went ahead and opted for the TRD Pro shift knob just to add more red contrast. Went ahead and got some recovery gear finally. 30-foot toe strap and toe strap, and then just got some extra tie downs in the back here just for tying stuff down. I go ahead and organize some more stuff, just more gear. Rainfly, and I got a hammock tent just to keep on with me in case I get stranded out in the middle of a trail. You never know. Got a little tool bag with a headlamp, some off-roading lights just for like setting a camp and stuff like that. Here's a crazy Star Wars looking headlamp. Just got some microfiber towels. You never know, you need to wipe something down, especially since that display on the front of our dashes gets pretty dusty.
Heck yeah, it does.
It gets pretty dusty. Just like little tools to keep, you know, if I ever need to adjust anything on the trails, if anything breaks. Got another hammock tent back here in case someone's with me and we're both stranded. Don't judge me, but it's a cheapy little air compressor if I need to air up or air down. You never know out in the trails.
Better than mine.
You never know. Just something cheap on Amazon, like 20 bucks. Just to help me get out of a sticky situation when it's needed. Got my trusty little baby hammer. Last but not least, screwdrivers, things like that, little wrench adapters. Just got some spare LED bulbs for my interior lighting. My grandpa always tells me, you know, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys already know, make sure to smash that like button. Like I've said it before in the past, chase your dreams, work hard, and look what it gets you. Let them know how old you are. And
I am currently 20 years old. I actually purchased the truck stock brand new when I was 19 last year in June.
Stock brand new, 19 years old, 20 now, and look at what he's got so far. And I'm sure he has a bigger build coming for it. So yeah, if you want to stay tuned, we could always do updates on his truck and go from there. So yeah, like I said, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.